So we left at 4:40 a.m. driving from Vancouver through Squamish to Whistler. It's about 6:30 a.m. or so, just about to get registered here in Whistler, home of the 2010 Winter Olympics. Here's the Olympic rings. I'm gonna grab a coffee, I'm gonna wake up a little bit. It's a wee bit chilly out here. It's about 10 degrees and we're rocking and rolling. So I will see you on the race. Okay, so I'm joined here with Dave. He's the event organizer. I don't know much about the race, although I just finished. He's going to tell me a lot more about it.
Well, when you were out there, you really saw a lot of Whistler. You got to see, running under the mountains, and you're around by the lakes, and you've got some rivers that come through. You're in the forest, you're on the roads, you're in the trails. It's a real mix. It's a real unique sort of course in the fact that you're not all on road, you're not all on trail. It's a mix of it. It really takes in the character of Whistler. There's sort of this sense of adventure where you're really weaving your way through areas, whether it's through the village or through Lost Lake Park or through some of the community neighborhoods. So there's really a good variety here. There's some undulating hills, there's a couple of bigger hills, but on the half marathon course you're about a 250 meter elevation gain in total. On the 30K course you're closer to about 350 meters. So nothing insurmountable, but certainly not flat. And you get really great views. As I say, you get to see so much of what Whistler is. So many people come to Whistler and just see the village and the surrounding areas. This way you get further out into the parks and you get into some of the neighborhood areas and stuff too, which is pretty neat.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, do it!
Okay, put a kilometer in. Did well, a little cold. A lot of people. From what I've been told is whatever goes down must go back up. So down we go. Hey, look who I ran into. Hi! Okay, just past 3 kilometers or so, the hills have started. High-fiving everyone, hugging everyone, that's my motto. Just like I said, whatever must come up, must go down. So, every morning, regardless of what time it is, I go in front of a mirror, I read out my positive affirmations, and focus. Take a deep breath, and concentrate on your breath. And then, you're good to go. Do that every day. The smallest repetitions could turn into a lot larger habits.
we go, guys. You got it, book it.
Seven kilometers in, 7th inning stretch, 7th inning stretch. We're turning around the loop, right by the lake. Whistler. Good work, guys. All these people, 2-minute pace money. Applesauce. So, what are your goals from last week? I posted the Oak Bay Half Marathon. And personal best time. This is a little bit more hilly, a little wet too. So I'm wearing my water resistant Nikes. I don't breathe as well, but boy do they ever work. And the GoPro's going sideways again. My question's for GoPro. This thing keeps on going sideways. Is there anything that I can do? Can you take it back? Can you get me another one? I'm running all the time. I'm trying to motivate as many people as I can. I can't do it when this thing is sideways. So I'm calling on you, GoPro. If you want to get to know Whistler in 2 hours, go take this race. It's going all through the neighborhoods, up, down, all around. Great course, beautiful. Thanks, Dave. Third time's a charm, right? Hi, how's it going? Thanks for all your help.
Oh, that's okay.
There we go, good work. Every morning, I share my gratitude. Who am I grateful for? Well, first, Harrison Elliott and my tall friend. You know who you are. Running in the Ironman, or maybe it's a half Ironman, Victoria. So, who else are you grateful for in your life? Spread the love, share the love. Share who you're grateful for. 3 people a day, every day. Repetition is the cause of success.
I like what you say.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Hey, high five.
High five. Good job, man.
Nearing about another half kilometer on top of that. Hey, 13 kilometers, pretty good pace. Can I have my high five? 14 kilometers, about 7 to go. Good pace. Hanging around with the 2-hour pace bunny. It's because I'm having to calibrate this a lot. Good pace. We're going through the forest, Holly Creek beds. The best Whistler has to offer. What do you love about Whistler?
What I love about
What do you
Whistler?
love?
The mountains mostly. actually.
Good, cool, great answer.
Average answer, but yeah.
Thank you for helping out. It's all about being positive. Positive always trumps negativity. Positivity always trumps negativity. This guy's taking photos. I can take a photo of him too. Cause this outhouse is rocking and don't come a knocking. It's a little shaky in there. I'm going on this side. High five. Again, earn my woulda, coulda, shoulda, or something like that. Did shirt because I don't take excuses. Hey guys, start to finish, start to finish. The sun came out! Come on, I'm on high fives. High fives, high fives. There you go, good job. You again. What's going on? High five, high five.
Like lemonade, we both know it's bittersweet.
Spectre does great, but that last week killed me. Legs are feeling heavy and I'm only 3K out. I should have put in bigger runs, but I couldn't because my ankle and my calf muscle was like severely in pain. So maybe I shouldn't have done this race, but then that's an excuse. And I don't take excuses lightly. So here we are. Finish strong, go lightly, deepen your breath, and say to yourself, I got this. Last kilometer. Here we go. 1 kilometer to go. The lady in front of me said one thing: stay with the pain. That really resonated with me because it's painful right now. But we can do it.
I shut
guys.
my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm breathing. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming.
Oh, here. High fives. High fives all the way around. High fives. High fives. Oh. Thank you. Okay, so half marathon done. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. Until next time, when I'm gonna allow my muscles to recuperate for a little bit, not give it 6 days rest. See you next time.